How to log in to Unified Bank Account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Unified Bank Account. Unified Bank is a community-focused financial institution that provides a range of banking services and products tailored to meet the needs of individuals and small business. In order to log into your Unified Bank Account, first of all, you'll need to ensure that you have already created an account on it. Now once you have done that, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type unifiedbank.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search for it. Within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of this Unified Bank. Once you reach to this page, here you'll be able to see sign in option at the top right. Click on this sign in button. And by doing so, you'll be able to see this interface at the right side. Here you will need to first choose the account type, whether it's personal, business or commercial. After choosing the account type, now enter the user ID. Make sure to enter it correctly. After that, enter your password. Make sure to enter the password correctly here, as there isn't any I button to reveal and check. If in case you don't remember your password and couldn't log into your account, you may also click on this forgot password link below the login button, and then from there you'll need to follow the instructions in order to recover your password. Also, if you haven't created an account on it, you can click on this enroll now link just below it, and then you will need to follow the prompts in order to create an account on it. Now after entering all the details correctly, go ahead and click on this login button right here, and then you'll be able to log in to your Unified Bank Account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Unified Bank Account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.